From a dream born in our mountains, humble people have been able to build with tenacity a success story in sports. From modest waxers to the world's top-ranked ski men. From the valleys of the Emilian Apennines to the Olympic peaks. Thanks to them, an event that has always been unique in Italy came to light and ranks among the most prestigious in the world. From 2012 to today, transitioning from the streets to a multi-purpose stadium featuring running, roller skiing, biathlon and mountain biking with a focus on safety, especially for children. The Frassinoro Summer Biathlon Festival has evolved into an authentic world attraction, drawing great athletes from across the globe. But that's not all. The great champions have also become our friends. But the Frassinoro Summer Biathlon Festival doesn't stop here. Together, we will continue to give value to our mountains. United, we win.